you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Malari. If you've been part of the fam, I know I'm looking a little different. I braided up my hair because, girl, we've been hitting up the gym. We're trying to lose 30 pounds by the summer. We're getting it done. We're speaking it into existence. We've already lost 10. So yeah, so today's palette review, we are going to be doing the NYX. This is the Tiger Energy palette. So this was exclusive to Ulta. Well, I don't know if it was exclusive to Ulta, but it was exclusively online. So this was $10 on the Ulta app. And you know, typically I like NYX products and NYX palettes. It's been a while since I've done one, but in the past I did do them often, and I do like NYX products. But their palettes, I haven't really bought one lately, so I don't know if their formula has changed or if they're, you know, dropping the ball in any way. We will see. $10 is pretty cheap, which is why I like NYX in the first place, because they're pretty affordable. But even though it was $10, we're still gonna judge it. We're still gonna be judgy. We're gonna see what they're talking about, what they're doing. Are we doing okay? So first off, I want to talk about this packaging because this just really looks cute to me. I love the packaging. I love how it looks neon and just like, I don't know. It's like Year of the Tiger or something for the Lunar New Year. That's why all of these like tiger things are coming out, all the tiger palettes for the new year. So we are pretty late doing this review, but we're here now. So this is what the palette looks like. How cute. I love that it's like one of the fold out ones. So cute. I love how they did like the 2022 with the paw print, and it's just all over the place. I love the way that, like, I don't know, I've never been to Chinatown in LA, but I do like the way it looks. Like when you see it on movies and stuff, it just looks so like, I don't know, it just looks like a casino. It looks like a good time. I don't know. It's very exciting looking. So we are gonna go ahead and dive right on into this palette. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the cellophane so that we can get into it. I'm thinking because it has all these dark shades in here, we are going to do a smoky eye today. We're going to get into a smoky eye. Oh my gosh, I'm just now realizing how many greens are in this palette. So we can't actually change the green screen. So I guess we're just gonna have to match the green screen today because can't change it now. Didn't realize all this green. Didn't notice it at first. But I think that this shade, just looking at the palette, this shade is my favorite. It's very, very pretty. And so are these shimmers. Oh, I just don't know. Okay, so the eyes are prepped with the Ace Beauty eyeshadow base in the color medium. I will link in the description box below. It has been sold out for a while now, but I'm hoping that whenever I put the link up, I will see that it is restocked for you guys if you want to try it. I love it, live by it. It's amazing. So first things first, we are going to start off. We are not even going to try to use these two shades. Those are not going to do anything for us as far as a transition shade. Maybe like a lid color for this. But this Born Leader, I don't like shades like this. Like, it's just like, it's not warm at all. It's just, I don't like it. So we're gonna skip that one. Let's go to Road for More first. And this is a BMX 430 crease brush. I wanna say that this is like Moda. Yeah, Moda Pro brushes. So we're gonna go into that one first. We are gonna do two eyeshadow looks today. I thought maybe we would just do one, but there's so many shades. I feel like this palette is deserving of two looks. So far, so good. I'm not experiencing any fallout. The shade is very, very pigmented, which I knew it would be. NYX is always very pigmented. They are a very good brand, and to me, they are so cheap and like affordable. It's like why you do so good? You do so cheap, but I appreciate it. Girl, I appreciate it. So let's go ahead and move on. I think we're gonna keep like the neutrals on this side and then go into like the colorful shades on this side. So we're gonna go into Out for Prey next. I really like this shade, Out for Prey. It's like a dark brown. One of those shades we need in every single palette. So this brush is a, I don't know, sorry girl. To me, it looks like a small like blending brush. This shade did come with the fallout. She's a fallout queen, girl. We weren't ready for you. We weren't expecting you. We weren't expecting you to fall out. And wow, this shade is a lot darker than I had planned for. Now I'm going back in with the first brush that we used, that BMX 430. So to blend these two shades together to get a good blend. So I thought we were gonna have to mix in that black to make it a little bit darker, but no ma'am. The shade said, I got it. I got it. I can make it dark enough for you. I love that for us. Okay, so she is looking dark. I'm loving this. I like the way that this looks so much. I think I lied to you guys. Well, no. We're gonna go ahead and do two eyeshadows because I was about to say, I think I'm just gonna do one today because I feel like I'm gonna wanna wear this all day. But we're gonna do two because I forgot. Because I was thinking I could do this for like an under eye, but I feel like we could use these on the other side. So we will do that. We will do that. But so far so good. I do love the way that these shades have blended together. It's very, very cute. Very, very cute. We did get some fallout, but it's nothing a little brush can't handle, you know. We can handle it pretty quickly, so no big deal. Let's go ahead and move on to the other side. So because those brushes performed so well with the first eye, we are going to use the same brushes, same combo on the other side. I just did my color switch. So we are going to go into Roaring Rage now. The shade, I do feel like this one's going to be very pretty. I hope it doesn't like let me down, but I think it will be very cute. This shade is not spreading as well as the other side did. I just grabbed more, so maybe I didn't have enough initially. Okay, so there we go. There we go. You just gotta build on it. You just gotta build it. You gotta build the color. Okay, so no fallout. She is kind of patchy, but still, like, the pigment is there. She's just kind of going on kind of weird. It's definitely not as, like, spreadable as that orange was. I did not have to dip into the orange this many times, but yeah, like this is just, this shade is being weird, so let's just move on. Let's move on to Very Beastly. Very Beastly. I was about to say Very Beasty, that's why I say it slow. Very Beastly. This shade is very, very pretty. I told you guys this one would be my favorite. Like the color of it is very, very pretty. Oh my goodness, that's looking pretty good as well. I'm so glad that we chose to go ahead and do two eye looks. Okay, so that red was kind of disappointing at first, but now we have a turn of events. She's actually looking pretty good with Very Beastly. The Roaring Rage and Very Beastly are a good combination. I love the way that that's looking together. The other side is looking really good too, but I feel like this side is exciting me more because this side is like very much like a neutral eye, but this one's exciting, right? So we are going to go ahead and do a cut crease today so that we can squeeze all of these shades on. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease real quick off camera and then we'll be okay. So now that the crease is cut, I'm kind of skeptical because I feel like this looks like it should be a shimmer, but it actually doesn't look that shimmery. I just don't know. I just don't know. Should we give it a go anyway? We should. I was thinking the same. So we're gonna go into Rebel Kind first and then Jungle King. So we're gonna go Rebel Kind first. So the shade is looking very pretty. Now I'm gonna flip the brush and go into Jungle King. This is my favorite brush to put eyeshadow on my lid with. It's a Morphe shadow brush. Morphe shadow brush. Okay, so I'm definitely not loving this green right now. So yeah, we got some fallout. The green is kind of like chunky in some places. Yeah, no, not exactly loving that. Whatever, we'll just keep it going. We'll save our thoughts for the end. So we're gonna go into that Wildlife and Out for Prey and just kind of mix them together a little bit. We don't want to take too much of that black because we don't want, you know, we don't want too much more work to do. You know, you add too much black and then you got a job. You have a project, and I just don't know that I want a project right now. Okay. There we go. Keep it smoky, you know. Now we are going to go into the shade right here, Tiger Energy. This is going to be our inner corner highlight for both sides. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. So this looks exactly how I thought it would. It's like a champagne shimmer. It's very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. We'll put a little bit up here. Just put a little pop of something, something. And that looks pretty cute. I mean, the green, it did kind of like, wasn't my favorite at first, but even still, it looks kind of chunky. I'm not going to make excuses for it. It really isn't a good shade. That green, yeah, no. We can do better than that next. Okay, so for the next color that we're going to use, we are going to go into, oh, wait. I guess we'll do Feline and then Wildin', because I'm just kind of like, we kind of like messed that up. We should have done something different, but let's go into Fierce Feline first. This one kind of looks like that green where it's not like really a shimmer. So it's just an orange. Nothing to write home about, nothing exciting going on there. Let's move on to Wildin' right here. Yeah, no complaints, but also nothing to be excited about. So let's move on to Wildin' and see what Wildin's got going on. So it's like basically the exact same shade. Like, what was the reason for this shade to be in this palette? I'm gonna take Tiger Energy again for that inner corner highlight, that same shade. Yeah, like what was the I mean, it doesn't look bad, but it's just like, what was the reason? Why do we have two of the same shades in here? It doesn't make sense to me. So I'm gonna take Roaring Rage and Very Beastly and put it in the corner. I feel like I've been saying these names wrong this whole time because I thought it was Very Beastly. It's Very Beastly. I get it. And then the other side was like, well, the other one I think I said wrong was Fierce Feline. I thought it said Feline. I need to stop reading stuff so fast. That's probably what my issue is. Okay, so I'm gonna add some black to the side as well. Just gonna go into that black and the Very Beastly. Just gonna smoke out that outer corner. I'm so disappointed in these two orange shades. They look the exact same. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this look with lashes and liner. The eyelashes that we're gonna use today is brought to us by Every Girl's Hair. These were sent to me by the owner of Every Girl's Hair. She sent me a bunch of eyelashes for our future giveaway and for me to use. So we're gonna use those today. I'm super excited about these because they are gorgeous. These are mink eyelashes. They're reusable. I will link the website in the description box below, and I mean, if you're not already subscribed, make sure that you subscribe so that you can win some of these beautiful lashes. If you're following me on Instagram, which you all should be, because you know I'm cute on there, follow me on Instagram, girl. Follow me at Malari Alexis. Just follow me. But yeah, there's a reel showing all of the eyelashes that she sent me. So some of them will be in the giveaway, some of them I will be keeping for myself. But yeah, you do have a chance to win some of these coming up very, very soon. So these are the eyelashes I was going to use. I just wanted to make sure that I made mention of them because Every Girl's Hair so graciously sent us some eyelashes. So thanks again, Every Girl's Hair. So we will be back to finish off this look, and I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on the Tiger Energy palette because girl, I got some thoughts. So we'll be back. I told you that these eyelashes were fabulous. They just like, I feel like a whole brand new person. I mean, girl. Okay, so let's finish off this look. I'm sorry, I'm being weird. I'm being a weirdo. Let me get my brush so we can finish off this look because I do want to add some like under eye stuff. So for under eyes, we are going to, I think we are going to do this shade and this one under both eyes because I love them. So we're gonna go into the black first. The brush that I'm using is like a, it's a Glamure. It's like a angled brush. This is not what I would usually use for something like this, but I cannot find the brush that I would actually use, so we're gonna use this one instead. So I think we'll get the same job done. So you just wanna smoke it out underneath. So that's looking really good. Let's go into Very Beastly. Very Beastly. right, she's cute. She's cute. She's looking cute. Okay, so we did get some fallout just from doing that little bit under the eye. I'm not... Okay, let me just tell you what I think about the entire palette before I get into that. So, what's in my hair, girl? Girl, what's in your hair? What's in there? Okay, so overall, Tiger Energy, the packaging is cute. It seems like a fun idea. However, I am kind of like let down that it looks so cool like this and it looks so colorful on the packaging. Like, I don't know, it just screams excitement, and then it gives us like these like colors. Like, there's nothing really exciting about these colors at all. Like, I did say that this palette was $10. I'm gonna check on that. If it was something different, I'll put it down here below, but I'm pretty sure it was $10 on the Ulta website where I got it. And I just kind of feel like this is just not something that we need to have. And I feel like I've been saying that a lot lately, but like, there was just nothing exciting about this palette. My favorite shade is the Berry Beastly shade, but we have the same orange in here, and that's a bummer. Like, what is this shade even doing here? Born Leader. Like, nobody even wants you here. No one wants you here. What are you doing here? No one wants you. So yeah, I really do love NYX Cosmetics, and I'm not gonna say I don't feel like the pigment was terrible except on the screen, but the palette itself, it was just like, oh yeah, and the red did kind of give me trouble for a while. So yeah, I would say the red and the Jungle King, the Roaring Rage and the Jungle King, they kind of sucked. And then just the fact that we have Fierce Feline and Wilden and they're the same shade, that's also a bummer too. What a letdown, because I was very excited about this one. But yeah, yet again, another palette that you do not need. It looks cool, so I mean, I guess if you like neutrals, grab it. I mean, $10 is pretty cheap, so you know, you get what you get and you don't throw a fit, but we are here to judge, so the judgment has been passed. It's just not something that you need, but it does look very cool. Very, very cute. So if you are not already, make sure that you are subscribed, like this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you have this palette and you like it, or which side you like the best, or what other things you guys might want in the giveaway. The giveaway is coming up very soon. I feel like I've been saying that a lot lately, but I just saw something else coming out soon that I want to add in the giveaway for you guys. So we're gonna do it after that thing comes in the mail. But in the month of February, we will be doing another large giveaway. So make sure that you're subscribed with your bell notifications on so that you do not miss a video, and you will see my face in the next one.